In this video, I will show you how to add gradient color to text in Canva. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on canva.com. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to Canva, log into your account, and then just go ahead and start your design. So what I'm going to do is actually go ahead and just type blank. And what we're going to do is just start a blank canvas design. So once your project is ready to go to add a gradient color to text, what you're going to want to do is come across to the toolbar on the left hand side and you want to click onto apps. Now there's actually an app you can use which is probably the easiest way to add a gradient color to text. So if you go ahead and type followed by gradient as one word, and you can see we got this come up in the suggested results. And if we give that a click, you're going to see the type gradient app load through. Once the app has loaded, just go ahead and click onto the app, and then all you want to do is come down to the bottom and click the purple open button. So what that's going to do is open up something like this on the left hand side, and what we can do is now start to design our text with the gradient color. So what we're going to do is in the main text box, we're just going to input the text that we want to add a gradient color to, just like so, and underneath we can change the font of the color, so we can click onto font and choose what kind of font we want to use, and then come up and press the back button. We can also change the text alignment. As you can see, we've got the alignment button here, and we can also change the line height if you have the words separated, just like so. So once you're happy with that, all you need to do is come down and you're going to see this gradient colors bar. So this is down here at the bottom. Now to change the colors of the gradient, all you need to do is click onto these white dots. You can see there's currently free. So for example, we can click onto the white dot here. We can change this to like a greeny color, like so. And we can change the middle dot to something like a orangey yellow color, like this, and what we can do is change the final one to a yellow color like this. So once you're happy, as you can see, this is what it looks like. You can see the preview window up above. If you want to add further gradients, you can click anywhere onto this color bar to add additional white dots and further change the gradients, just like so. And also, if you come up to the preview window, you can see we got this handle, and if we actually turn this around, we can change this to change the style of gradient, just like this. And once you're happy with everything, just come down to the bottom and click onto the purple Add to Design button, just down here. As you can see, that's going to go ahead and add our gradient text. If you want to edit this at any point, all you need to do is select the text, and you can come down and click the purple Update Element button, in which case you'll be able to go through and change any of the features like the text or gradient colors. So that is how to add gradient color to text in Canva. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.